8. I got 3, and I got negative 3 over 4. Somebody check behind me. All right, will both answers work on this one? I don't know, let's check. Does 3 work? 9 times 3 is 27 plus 5. Yeah, that's positive.
Yeah, 3 works.
All right, 3 works. How about the negative 3/4? Guys, I can't do that one in my head. I'll have to plug that in the calculator. I'm going to plug 9 times negative 3 over 4 plus 5. And remember, all we have to know is it going to be positive or negative? So 9 times negative 3 over 4. Grant says it doesn't work. It gave me a negative fraction, so that one doesn't work. Throw it out. You don't keep it.
What about
If it's positive, I just put a check by it. It works. You keep that.
yeah, but what works?
The only one that worked is the 3. Let me show you what I mean when I say it works. When I plug 3 right here, 9 times 3 is 27 plus 5 is 32. So Amelia, as long as it's a positive number, it works. When I plug 3 here, I get 9 minus 1, which is 8. It's positive. It's good. Now, it's got to work on both of them. All right, let's go to 18. Again, y'all should be able to set it up. I might have to help you work it out. See if y'all can write down 18 and set it up. All right, so Amelia, the reason we're setting this one up the new way is because this one doesn't have a lot. All right, so how you set it up the new way? You take the number that's on the bottom, that's your base, you do 8 to the first power equals. Make sure you see where I got those numbers first. Now, for this and this, Amelia, if it's got a minus in between, you would divide them. If it's got a plus in between, you got to times it. So it'll be n minus 3 times n plus 4. Yep. Any question about how I set it up? Wyatt, you good? All right, 8 to the first power, that's just 8. Now, y'all have to FOIL this out on the right side. So, go ahead and FOIL that out. Combine your like terms, and you can do quadratic formula. Where did I start, honey? Which number do I start with? All right, let me show you. You start with this number that's on the bottom, so it'll be 2 to the negative 3 equals what? These two, Hunter, have a minus sign in between them. So you divide, good. 2x plus 8, 2x squared. This one looks pretty messy. I don't know if it is or not. All right, so I need somebody to type this in their calculator, 2 to the negative third. Let's make it a fraction. 1 over 8. And the reason we're doing all that, just so we can now cross multiply and divide. So, you guys cross multiply, then combine your like terms, and then we'll do quadratic form. All right, so let's get everything on the right side. So I got 2x squared in the front. What's going to happen with 16x when I move it over? Make it a negative 16. So 21 minus 16 is 5x. Plus 64, move it over to negative 64. That'll give me negative 3. So y'all do quadratic formula with those 3 numbers, and we'll see what you get. All right, I got 2 over 4, which is 1/2, and then I got negative 12 over 4, which is negative 3. So I got 1/2 and negative 3. Now we'll check and see which one gets thrown out. Grant said he thinks they both work. Let's see if he knows what he's talking about. If I plug negative 3 right here, 2 times negative 3 and then add 8, that's negative 6 plus 8, that gives you 2. That one works. All right, and if I plug negative 3 here, I know that's going to turn into a positive. I'm going to guess that one works too. So they both worked on this one. Most of the time, the one that's the negative doesn't work, but it actually worked. All right, let's take a break. Bathroom break.